Have you ever walked into someone's home and thought, how do they keep it this clean all the time? You might feel like no matter how often you clean, the mess just keeps coming back. It can be frustrating, exhausting, and it may even make you feel like your home is out of control. But here's something hopeful. The cleanest homes are not the ones that get deep cleaned every week. They're the ones where small, simple habits happen every day. That's what keeps them feeling fresh, organized, and peaceful. In today's video, I'll walk you through 12 daily habits that seniors with the cleanest homes use every single day. These habits are simple, take just a few minutes, and they work. And stay with me, because habit number 12 is one that almost everyone forgets, but it might be the most important of all. Let's dive in. Habit number 1. They make their bed every morning. This small habit sets the tone for your entire day. When your bed is made, your room feels instantly more organized. When it isn't, the whole space feels out of order. Making your bed does not need to be perfect. Just pull the covers up, straighten the pillows, and take a deep breath. In less than 2 minutes, you've already accomplished something. That's powerful, especially in your senior years when energy matters. People who make their beds every morning often say they feel more in control of their lives. Why? Because that one small task gives structure and calm to the rest of the day. And when you come back into your bedroom later, it feels inviting, not stressful. This is your first win of the day, and it only takes a moment. Habit number 2. They put things back right away. Clutter does not happen all at once. It sneaks in, slowly, quietly. A book left on the couch, a glass left on the table, a pair of shoes in the hallway. Before you know it, everything feels out of place. That's why many older adults who keep tidy homes follow this simple rule. Put things back right away. Not later, not tomorrow, right after you use them. This habit is often called the one-touch rule. If you touch it once, you finish the task. That means if you take off your sweater, hang it up, not on the back of a chair. If you use the scissors, return them to the drawer. The beauty of this habit is that it prevents clutter from ever building up. You save energy, time, and stress, and your space feels calm all the time. Habit 3. They wipe down surfaces. Every day, have you ever noticed how just a few crumbs on the counter or a little toothpaste in the sink can make the whole room feel dirty? That's why seniors who always have fresh, tidy homes do one quick thing every day. They wipe down the most used surfaces. Kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, coffee tables. It does not take long, just a damp cloth and maybe a light cleaner. But the result? The room instantly looks cleaner, brighter, and more welcoming. Do it after brushing your teeth, after meals, before bed. It becomes a habit that keeps your home looking polished without hours of work. And when your surfaces are clean, you are far less likely to leave things sitting out. Clean invites clean. Habit number 4. They do one load of laundry each day. Laundry can feel like a mountain. One day the basket is empty, and the next it's overflowing. That's why one of the most powerful habits is this. Do a small load of laundry every day. Just one. Maybe it's a few shirts or a couple of towels. That's all it takes. Instead of spending half a day doing 3 or 4 loads, you spend 10 or 15 minutes, and it never builds up. This habit saves time, energy, and stress. It also means you'll never run out of clean clothes, and putting laundry away becomes quick and easy. Consistency is everything. A little every day keeps the mountain from growing. Habit number 5. They never leave dishes in the sink overnight. Have you ever started your day with a sink full of dirty dishes? It instantly feels like the day has begun with a chore. That's why one of the most effective habits is to wash the dishes or load the dishwasher right after dinner. When you wake up and see an empty sink, your kitchen feels fresh, light, and ready. You feel calmer. You feel in control. Even if you're tired, just take 5 minutes to clear the sink. It makes tomorrow feel so much better. And here's something interesting. When your sink is clean, you are more likely to keep the rest of the kitchen clean too. Habit number 6. They tackle paper clutter right away. Bills, flyers, junk mail, newspaper ads. Paper piles up faster than anything else. But the most organized seniors do one thing the moment they bring in the mail. They deal with it. Junk mail goes into recycling. Bills go into an organizer or folder. Important papers get put away properly. Try placing a small basket near your entryway or kitchen counter. That's your sorting spot. Once a week, go through it. Shred what you don't need. File what you do. This tiny habit takes seconds, but prevents piles from forming. Habit Jerk 7. They open a window for fresh air every day. Even the cleanest home can feel stale if the air does not move. Fresh air changes everything. It lifts your mood. It clears out odors. It makes your space feel alive. Even if it's cold, even if it's raining, crack a window for just 5 to 10 minutes. Try it in the morning while you make your coffee, or in the afternoon when you're tidying up. You'll notice the difference right away. And the more you do it, the more refreshing your whole home feels. Habit number 8. They dust a few surfaces every day. Dust gathers fast, especially on things we use often but forget to clean. The TV remote, the shelf, the top of the fridge. That's why another great habit is to dust just a few of those high-touch areas each day. Not the whole house, just a few. Keep a microfiber cloth somewhere handy. Each day, pick 3 to 4 spots to wipe. The nightstand, the coffee table, the television. It only takes a couple of minutes, but your home will always feel clean and cared for. Habit number 9. They tidy up before bed. Waking up to a messy house feels overwhelming, but waking up to a tidy space gives you peace. Before going to bed, take 10 minutes to reset your home. Fold the blanket on the couch. Clear the dining table. Put your shoes by the door. Wipe the kitchen counter. Straighten the pillows. This tiny habit makes your mornings smoother. It tells your mind, you are safe, you are in control, and your home is calm. Start small. Set a 10-minute timer and do what you can. You'll be amazed at how much lighter your mornings feel.
Habit number 10. They keep cleaning supplies close. Have you ever seen a mess but left it because your supplies were in another room? It happens to all of us. But when supplies are nearby, you clean as you go. That is what makes the difference. Keep a small cleaner and cloth under the kitchen sink. Store some wipes in the bathroom. Put a duster in the living room. When a spill or smudge happens, you can handle it immediately, before it becomes something bigger. It makes cleaning feel effortless because you're not waiting or dreading it. You're already doing it, without even thinking. Habit number 11. They sweep or vacuum high-traffic areas every day. The floor collects everything: crumbs, dust, pet hair. Even if the rest of your home is clean, dirty floors make it feel messy. But you do not need to vacuum the whole house every day. Just focus on where you walk the most. The kitchen, the hallway, the living room. 5 minutes a day is all it takes. Try sweeping after meals. Do a quick vacuum pass before bed. If you have pets, a cordless vacuum can make this even easier. Clean floors lift the feel of your entire home. Habit number 12. They take a moment to enjoy their clean home. This habit might be the most important and the most overlooked. Many people clean and then move on to the next task. But those with peaceful homes do something different. They pause, they sit in their favorite chair, light a candle, play some music, breathe in the calm. A clean home is not just about appearance, it is about how it makes you feel: safe, settled, at peace. And when you take time to enjoy that feeling, you are more likely to protect it. That is the true power of all these habits. Let's quickly recap. You do not need to clean all day to feel at peace in your home. You only need a few small habits, done every day with love and consistency. Start with just one. Maybe it is making your bed. Maybe it is wiping the counters. Maybe it is tidying before bed. Try it for 1 week and see what changes. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these habits do you already do? Which one are you excited to try? Leave a comment below. I would truly love to know. And if this video gave you something helpful today, please click the like button. Share it with a friend or family member, and subscribe to Wisdom for Elders for more calm, clear, and hopeful tips to help you live well at any age. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself and take care of your home.